All right, hey guys, I just want to run through a couple calculator problems with you all, and highlight a few things with the time value of money lecture that got a bit wonky. So first of all, you probably received my email that I listed the incorrect Texas Instrument calculator. We need the BA2 plus, and I have it listed differently in the syllabus. And so my sincerest apologies about that oversight. But what we need is a time value of money keys, and so I sent out this free one online, which will do the same things that we need to do for this class with time value of money. So feel free to use this as you're working through your problems. So the other thing that I wanted to highlight too is the first two single sum time value of money problems in my lecture had old answers in there from previous slides. I've reworked the problems and I just forgot to change the solutions. So if you've watched the video already, it's Thursday, May 11th, about 6 p.m. Go update your slides that you downloaded to have the correct first two single sum time value money outputs. Okay, so what we do here is we have $35,000. Whoops, here we go. $35,000 input. We have a 3.5 interest rate. So you notice how I'm clicking the numbers first and then assigning them variables. 8 is the number of periods. And we don't have any payments, so let's make sure that's 0. We are going to compute the future value. My present value didn't get stored somehow. 35,000 is my present value. Okay, now compute future value. 46,088. Now, your BA2 plus will recognize this as a cash outflow from your pocket and a cash inflow. This calculator doesn't do that, but if you report the negative answer, I'm going to accept it. It's going to be fine. But we realize that if I have $35,000 in my account earning interest rate, it will give me a 3.5% interest rate. It will give me up to 46,088. And we understand that that amount's not negative. It would be positive. So there's how you do one. That's single sums. And let's go check out a payment. So here's one where we're solving for the payment. So recall that all the variables are stored. So we want to make sure that we set everything to what we want them to be. So 0 is my present value. I'm starting with no money in my account. 5 is my interest rate. There are 8 periods. We don't need to change that, but we can do it anyway. I'm trying to save up to $200,000. So put that in, not $2 million, $200,000. And so my question is, how much are my payments? So I've put in all the variables except payment, and we can compute payment and see that I spend $20,944.36. And so this in this calculator, payment seems to be the only one where the negative sign matters for cash outflows and cash inflows. We're going to use time value of money, and the only place that we would really think about this being important is when my payment is a loan payment, and so we'll think about how to use the positives and negatives of payments down the line. But that's how you solve for a payment in an annuity. If you want another example, we can do this one here, which was also in the text. Again, I don't have any present value, and we're trying to figure out the payments. So if I have 4.7 interest rate, and I have 5 periods, and I want to save up to $15,000, put all those variables in, and then compute the payment, right? So that's how you do that. That's what we're doing with time value money right now. And so I hope that this video helps out a little bit with that.